Vlog ka na lang. What will you say to your viewers?
Saan ito kabit? Saan mo kakabit? Huwag dyan, dinigalan sa papel.
Hello, dito.
Ayaw, malalim ng santok. Oh.
Pero isa lang siguro? Dalawa.
Hindi, isa lang sa baba.
Kasama nga. Napakita mo sa camera mo.
It's guys, bad boy.
Ikwento mo.
Hi guys. Now
What are you doing? What are you doing right now?
make purple.
You're making?
Daddy, mommy, nanood.
Yes, I'm not watching. Oh.
Hindi ka nood.
Okay nga. Hindi naman ako nanonood ah. Oh.
Daddy.
Okay, lagay mo rito yung hands mo. Oh, lagay yung hands mo. Tingnan mo. Oh. Try mo rito. Ibakat mo. Yan. Mark. Wow! Oh, pakita mo sa viewers mo. Oh. Oh. You see? You see my hands? Oh. Pakita mo. What else? Ano pa papakita mo sa viewers mo? Pakita mo yung watercolor mo. Wow! And then, your watercolor, pakita mo.
Rainbow. It's cool. Purple aga. Okay. I like your purple.
Pakita mo yung desk mo. Pakita mo yung workplace mo, be. Ah. Ganda ng workplace mo. Ah. Super.
Ito pa.
Ayan pa, look at your hands. Oh. Pakita mo yung hands mo. What color are your hands? Oh. So many colors.
Down this. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye guys. You say bye-bye. You say bye-bye na.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.